Welcome to the Frederick Family Acre, a place where we share our journey to self-reliance in our garden, animal husbandry, cooking from scratch, and DIY projects. My name's Katrina.
And I'm George, and if you've been here before, welcome back. If not, thanks for checking us out. Today we are going to be harvesting a ton of onions. All of those. So we have a not so friendly visitor, and it is a gopher. So we are going to take this entire bed out and figure out how to resolve him. And we're harvesting him a little bit early, but we're gonna go ahead and dry him and use them anyways. So yeah.
Yeah, and we are doing them early. We planted ours out in December. We will link the video for that down below if you want to see what we did when we planted these. And I do talk about in there the 3 different kinds of onions, which are short day, long day, and intermediate day. I did not know about this before I purchased our onion sets, so unfortunately we have long day, we're in a short day area, so these probably wouldn't be super huge in a month anyway, so we're gonna go ahead, cut our losses, use what we have, get these out, take care of the gopher, and then get some fun in the crops in there. And now I'm gonna go find the other boys so they can help us get these onions out of the garden. We planted, I think, 120 about.
Yeah.
We do have garlic in here. I'm gonna try to instruct the boys to leave it in because that should go a little bit longer.